Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube video buffering issue. Now first of all, what you have to keep in mind is that how you need to have a good Wi-Fi connection or already or a steady cellular data. I'm using a cellular data because it is a very reliable one. You can also use a better Wi-Fi connection, right? Now step 2 is try using a low resolution. Now what you have to do firstly is go to YouTube, and what you have to do is simply go to the video. If it doesn't load, simply go to a video, right? If the video is buffering too much, simply tap on the gear icon. You can see a gear icon. If you tap on this video, you can see a gear icon at the top right. Tap on this gear icon and you will see an option that is called quality. Simply tap on this quality and put it on advanced at the bottom. Simply tap on advanced and you can see various options. You can either use 480 or 360 because those are lower ones, but if you want the very lowest one, then you can simply tap on this 144p. That will somehow make your buffering very less. Now what you have to do next step is simply go clear caches. Now in order to clear cache, what you have to do is go to your settings at first. Now what you have to do is scroll down and go to applications. Now and the second option, there is a manage apps option. Simply tap on manage apps. Now what you have to do is search for YouTube. Simply search for YouTube and open YouTube, and at the storage simply tap on clear data at the bottom. Simply tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Now what you have to do is simply tap on OK. Now the last step is to update the application. In order to update the application, what you have to do is go to the Play Store at first. Then what you have to do is simply search for YouTube. Search for YouTube, and this is the application. If there is an update like this, simply tap on update and you will have the latest updated YouTube, and after that the buffering will be very less and the issue will be solved. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.